And to roof spoiler impression is pretty flimsy. But I guess that matters because you have to put it to the curve of your roof. Definitely needs to be painted. It's pretty difficult. Came with the 3M double-sided tape. Not attached. So, that's strange. Need a flathead. Need one of these. Need a BRZ or FRS. First, you need to remove this right here. Let me see if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. That right there. Take your flathead. If you're trying too hard, you're doing it wrong. Because you literally just put it perpendicular, parallel in, and something should pop out. There, see? And then there's 3 of them. 1, 2, and 3. Next part's a bit scary because you're gonna hear it pops. But you literally take this, squeeze it, and pull it out on both sides. Ugh. Doesn't have to come up all the way. Just enough so you can get the liner out. Here's your airbags, I think. Yeah. Yeah, don't touch that. It'll be alright. Oh my god. Come in. And your open socket. There is the nut holding it. That's removed. Now you follow along with this. There's tape over it. Getting it off is a little bit more difficult because it actually sits in like this, and you have to squeeze this part on the other side. Right there, that black tab. Squeeze it and then pull out. Squeeze, pull out. Fitment test. It goes right up here, along with these lines. Just like that. This side actually needs to be shoved in more this way. Now the trick is to remove the double-sided tape and that and throw it back on.